This workshop is our slider and puller assembly workshop. We assemble all of our non-lock, auto-lock, and semi-auto lock sliders here. This is a fully automated machine for auto-lock sliders. This machine minimizes human error and provides the most efficient assembly process. Compared to manual assembly process, the output is 10 times greater, which is about 30,000 pieces per day. This is a fully automated machine for non-lock sliders, similar to a fully automated machine for auto-lock sliders. This machine greatly reduces labor costs and provides a more consistent quality. This semi-automated machine for non-lock sliders is specifically designed for clients who require one-sided logo pullers or special puller shapes in their products. For these purposes, this machine can greatly increase productivity.